Bullish STEPN cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.09 and $2.06 by 2030. Market experts accept GMT could reach 84 cents by 2025. Bearish STEPN market cost expectation for 2023 is 19 cents. STEPN presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about STEPN cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the essential presentation of this money on the off chance that you need a decent profit from your beneficial venture from it. STEPN, the principal NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea, is a solid way of life application with social money and play to acquire viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish STEPN in August 2021. STEPN won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse token, the STEPN's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project progressions and depository conveyance. Prior to making a STEPN cost, we look at what is GMT. What's more, STEPN specialized in principal examination. We should check it out. What is STEPN? STEPN is a Web3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind STEPN. The undertaking chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's ordinary movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, STEPN wrapped the second place and was the principal task to incorporate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of STEPN is to urge a large number of clients to embrace a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high-emission cars. Then again, the social money part of STEPN expects to foster a stage that advances client-created Web3 content. STEPN specialized investigation. The STEPN token's value expectation is undeniably founded on an itemized assessment of its value diagram and specialized examination, taking into account both the ongoing cost and verifiable patterns of the cryptographic money. While inspecting the pattern lines, the costs have transcended the 200 mama line. The vertical determined pattern line in the specialized examination is the most probable pattern after such a breakout, with the GMT value starting and market cap to challenge its new opposition levels. These investigations are playful regardless of whether there is a predominant feeling of a bear market that could penetrate the crypto business. The STEPN money and the typical cost are supposed to recuperate considerably more quickly than the by and large crypto market cap, giving financial backers colossal additions on both short and long-haul property. Besides, you should decide the kind of help and obstruction levels that STEPN cost gauge experiences to make arrangements for its future. The even opposition can be recognized by how frequently the GMT esteem rises and falls during a vertical push. STEPN is at present worth 24 cents USD. GMT has moved 2.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $38,165,643. STEPN is at present positioned 134 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $210,567,696 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination to similarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for STEPN to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous STEPN market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. STEPN value expectation 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The GMT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 36 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 33 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of 29 cents. STEPN value expectation 2024 of every 2024. STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform 60 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 48 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 53 cents. STEPN value forecast 2025 in the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 84 cents and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 77 cents and a low of 72 cents in 2025. STEPN value expectation 2026 on the off chance that STEPN effectively supports market opinion among digital money aficionados. The GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1.09, with a base cost of 97 cents and a typical cost of $1.02. STEPN value expectation 2027 after some broad determining and specialized examination. We gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.26 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $1.34. STEPN value forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.51. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.58. Neglecting to assemble the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.46. STEPN value expectation 2029 while GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection. The bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $1.70 and a yearly cost close above $1.82 in 2029. STEPN value expectation 2030 by 2030. STEPN will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.94 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.06, averaging out at $1.99. STEPN value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme GMT cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.38 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.28. And given the gigantic volume of GMT digital money exchanging, the possible development, and the quantity of applications presently being made on the Solana blockchain. As far as speculation guidance, STEPN is by all